Here we have a Frazer Nash steering wheel, dates from the early 1930s, and it came in with a broken spoke, and you can see this spoke had broken at both sides of the boss there, and if it was re-welded it would only break again. So we've manufactured two new spokes, they're blades, and riveted into the boss. We haven't done anything to the rim at all because the customer particularly wanted to keep its originality. We do have a mould to recast it if necessary. We also have done nothing to the boss either, apart from re-riveting it on to the new spokes. But it's an early 1930s Frazer Nash.